Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got an NP233 that is out of a Jimmy, bolted to a 4L60. And we're going to take it apart for the input gear that I need, possibly. But also one of the things I want to look at, just in case I need, can you convert an electric and put a manual shifter on it if you have a donor? I know there's lots of videos online where people built plates and welded on there and made a manual shifter, but can you successfully convert one? I'm going to pull this cone off, and there's going to be probably a big snap ring holding that on. Yeah, I say so. Oh, there we go. Broke the seal. There, should just slide off. Now these are really kind of a pain to get out. Case. It's actually gonna come apart pretty easy by the looks of it. I'll pull this out. There we go. So appears it just kind of sits in there. Can you? Is there enough room? So that ball or detent actually just rides in there. Crazy, 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 crazy. Even this thing has one of those little stupid snap ring things. Let's see if I can. So in the end, whether or not you could use electronic transfer case, this is a NP233. I'm going to go with the answer is no. While the front case is pretty much identical, except where the shift rod goes through, it's machined down a little bit. I don't think that would matter too much, but when it comes to the back side of the case, I guess the input-output part where the shift fork goes is definitely where the big difference is. As far as size, you would probably have to mill some of that down to get your shifter in. That pretty much answered my question. The shift mechanism is slightly different as well. And for the outside of the case, like I said, you'd have to mill it down in order to make it work. So this is the reason why people take an automatic transfer case and just weld a shift rod on there to make this work. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and I'll see you in the next video. It's kind of too bad. I was kind of hoping I could make something work, but apparently not.